Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. Joey's World. How are you today? Are you good? I hope you're staying safe and that you're staying healthy in these kind of weird times that we're having right now. But I wanted to come to you from my outside and tell you that it's always good for us to get outside and to get some fresh air and just to get some sun when the sun's out. Right now it is cloudy outside, but it's still good just to sit outside and to relax and just to get that good rest that we all need. And so if you're at a place, if you're healthy enough, and if your parents say it's okay, go outside. Sit outside, get some sun, get some fresh air, and just breathe, take deep breaths, and relax, and realize that everything is going to be okay, that you're okay, and every day is a good day to be thankful for something, because we always have something to be grateful, to be thankful for. And so take time today, after you watch Mr. Joey's World, take some time today to go outside, explore the outside if you can, if it's not bad weather, and look around, find a cool rock, enjoy the sunshine, do some chalk art. There's so many things that you can do outside. And Miss Cheryl, who teaches us music at school, she's my special guest today. And so before we welcome her, I'm just so grateful for Miss Cheryl, what she does on a weekly basis, daily basis for us, and all the resources that she has for us music-wise. And so she's gonna show you what she's doing outside at her house today, and it's pretty cool. You won't want to miss it. And so would you help me welcome to Mr. Joey's World today, Miss Cheryl?
Hello, my friends. I hope you guys are all staying well and healthy during this quarantine. A couple of things that will help you with that are getting outside and getting some sunshine. And another activity is gardening. With gardening, you get outside and you also have healthy food that you can eat. I've been gardening for a while, and I'm going to share my gardens with you guys. These boxes I have in the back of my yard are called raised bed gardening or square foot gardening. And I have shade covers over them to help just offer the plants a little shade for when it's too sunny, and also to help keep the birds from eating in my garden. So let's take a look in this box. This is kale. I have lots of kale. And I have some, let's see what that says, leeks. And then the rest of these are bell peppers and jalapeno peppers and banana peppers. In my other box I have, this is lavender, I have garlic chives, and I have oregano. And my oregano has really taken over the box. I need to cut some of that. If you don't have raised beds, you can use your flower beds. And here's a flower bed where I have planted cabbage. That's cabbage right there. And I've just placed it throughout my flower bed. Here's another flower bed where I've put in some plants. Right here we have cilantro. We have parsley. That's basil. Dill, and over here I have two different types of lettuce in my garden. If you're unable to plant in either a raised bed or your flower beds, you can also just use planting pots right here. This is a tomato. These are big beef tomatoes. I have tomatoes over here. These are Husky Cherry Red. And then I also have these I've planted from seeds, green onions. Hopefully they'll start coming up soon. Anyway, my friends, I miss you guys and stay healthy. Bye.
Wow, thank you so much for Miss Cheryl for sharing that with us. That is pretty cool that you have a garden at your house. And how cool would it be if we could do some sort of garden ourselves at our house? That could look whatever way you want it to look. You could do a plant garden, you could do a rock garden, you could do a flower garden, or you could grow vegetables in your garden, or whatever you want to do. How cool would it be to plant one of your own gardens? And so, and gardens do help our earth too. And so it helps our planet get a little bit healthier too. So I want to show you something that we have at our apartment outside of our balcony that we like to go and just look at and take care of. And so I'm going to show you that right now. So my mom and I went to the Home Depot a few weeks ago, and we bought this plant from their garden flower section. And we've been taking care of it, watering it every day, giving it plenty of sunshine outside. But we planted some plants. I'll show you some other ones. There's another one we have right there. We also have this one right over here. So you can do whatever you want to do if you choose to do a garden. But just a little fun activity to do outside, to get yourself outside while we are all social distancing, physical distancing, whatever you want to call it. Just a fun activity for you to do at home. So, before we go today, Miss Cheryl has a cool song that she found. It's a gardening song. And so I want you to take a look at this song, and maybe you can learn the words and sing along.
The garden song. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Sun warms them as they grow, and the rain comes tumbling down. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Sun warms them as they grow, and the rain comes tumbling down.
Well, thanks for tuning in this week to Mr. Joey's World. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you stay safe, stay healthy, and get outside sometime this week and enjoy some sunshine and some warmer weather, thankfully, hopefully. But thanks to Miss Cheryl for being on with me today and being my special guest this week on Mr. Joey's World. I hope that you take care, and I will see you soon. Soar high, everybody. See you next time.